Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Wise for PandaBuy. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to start getting our products first. Now in this case, go to pandabuy.com, log in into your account, and once logged in, search for a product that you want to buy. Like for example, maybe we want to look for a brusher. So let's go ahead and search for it. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to search for the item that we want to basically buy. So in this case, I don't think that they have any brushes here, so I can only see the pen here that is kind of a brush. So let's go ahead and choose one of the items here. Like for example, we want this item here. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, let's go ahead and just add this into our cart. For example, we want to have this one. Quantity is only 1, and we also agree to their conditions here. Let's go ahead and click on buy now. And under buy now, choose the warehouse. So currently I choose this destination here. And from here, let's go ahead and click on submit order, but make sure that you agree and read and agree. In this case, let's just click on submit order and we'll be redirected to the payment or the checkout page. Now in this case, when you scroll to the very bottom here, you should be able to see the Wise section. So in this case, if you want to use Wise as a payment method, just click on use here. And from here, you just need to follow the steps for you to basically use Wise. So in this case, you have to please select your currency for remittance. If you have already sent money, you need to provide the following information. And in this case, you'll be verifying by submitting the remittance information here. So this includes the remitter name, the remittance certificate number, remittance currency, and remittance amount. Now in this case, click on I have remitted money, submit information, and from here just follow the steps and you should be good. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.